friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Buffalo WXR-11000XE12 Wi-Fi 6E router. So friend, Buffalo announced the launch of their flagship Wi-Fi router, the WXR-11000XE12, which support Wi-Fi 6E and will be available for purchase in early May 2023. And it is equipped with 12 streams, and this router can achieve transfer speed of up to 4803 Mbps in 6 GHz and 5 GHz band, and up to 1147 Mbps in the 2.4 GHz band. And in addition, the WXR-11000XE12 features 4 unique external antennas known as the triple band dipole antenna that allow for stable communication by adjusting the position based on installation environment, and it also includes 10 gigabit ports for both WAN and LAN, making it compatible with 10G optical internet lines and perfect for streaming high definition 8K videos. And friend, it has a 2.6 GHz quad core 64-bit CPU and supports various security features such as WPA3 Personal, WPA2 Personal, WPA2 Personal, WPA2, WPA3 Personal, WEP access restriction and MAC privacy separators. And friend, it has a 1-year product warranty and measures 300 mm in width, 75 mm in depth and 195 mm in height, with a weight of around 1.5 kg. And friend, the estimated market price for this router is $339 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.